Good afternoon. It's about 3:30 Friday, March 24th. I'm coming out again to explore this neighborhood. Okay, with my boots. Okay, well, the water is quite deep here. All right, the water also comes from this side. All right, see, look, the water comes from this side. Ah, interesting, yeah. Anyway, I did some good walk this morning. Want to explore more in our neighborhood. Yep, okay. Could be some snapping turtles here, who knows? All right, yeah. I think I feel like my boots a little bit wet. All right, so they make an island here. Look at, interesting, see? Yeah, with my boots right now per time. Okay, water is very rapid here. Again, the water comes from the pond. Another pond up there, the big pond. This is just a medium-sized pond. All right, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at this creek. I love the rocks here. They have some beautiful rocks here. Okay. Yep, look at that. It's beautiful. I'm just walking against the water going up, and I can need to use some strength actually. You can tell, wow. Yeah, the water is very rough. Alright, okay, this is fun. I just love nature. I just sit home and grading papers and watch TV. I must have some exercise. Alright, so this is the beautiful Apple Creek here. Again, this is area come from another pond. Okay, I'm gonna step on the rocks here right now. And I cannot go up anymore because all these tree branches there and the pond is up there. Okay. Some of you might have ventured here. Look at here. Yep, that's this beautiful mark on the rock. See? This is all I can go right now. I don't want to go up anymore. That's to the ranch up there. Okay. There's a little fence there. I did jump over this side before. I don't want to try it. It's kind of slippery. Alright, so anyway, again, exploring our beautiful neighborhood. Just gorgeous. Just love it. Okay, the water sound. Just love the water sound. Okay, all those big rocks, nice rocks here. Yeah, beautiful. That's nature. This creek has no name. It goes down to the small pond with this can. So the geese there, look at you, wow. Some very rapid ones here. Very rough, see? Yep. Okay. Yeah, it's very rough. A lot of water here, like white rapids. Okay, White Rapids current. We can put a tube here and we can drive pretty fast. See the water kind of curved here and kind of make it a little bit higher here. See the sand? Yep. Okay. Just exploring this neighborhood. Again, love God's nature. Okay, just love this creek. A beautiful creek runs through it. That's our neighborhood. Yep, that's our neighborhood, our beautiful neighborhood. Okay. Yep, just love it here. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Dr. DVD from Missouri. 再见. Sayonara, adios, and bye-bye.